4 new Hondas you need to see in 2025 to 2026. Hey car lovers, looking for a reliable, stylish, and feature-packed vehicle that won't break the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 4 of the most exciting Honda vehicles dropping in 2025 and 2026, including hybrids, SUVs, and even a smart city sedan. Whether you're after family space, fuel savings, or just a sleek ride, there's something here for you. So stick around. You don't want to miss this lineup. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you love cars as much as we do, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Number 1. 2026 Honda HR-V, the practical daily driver. The 2026 Honda HR-V is still rocking its spot as one of the most practical and affordable subcompact SUVs on the market. Inside, it's spacious, sleek, and smarter than ever. We're talking a minimalist design, comfy front seats, and clever storage solutions. Fold the back seats down and you've got space for 22 carry-on bags. That's no joke. Under the hood, it runs a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine pumping out 158 horsepower. It's great for city commutes, though it might feel a little sluggish on steep highways or during fast merges. 0 to 60 in 9.4 seconds isn't thrilling, but it's reliable and efficient, delivering up to 32 miles per gallon on the highway with front-wheel drive. Tech-wise, the HR-V is fully loaded with a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a wireless charging pad on all trims. Nice touch, Honda! New paint colors, cool black wheels on the sport trim, and value pricing under $30,000? That's a win. And for just $1,500 more, you can add all-wheel drive. Not bad at all. Quick take. If you want comfort, practicality, and features without the turbo thrill, this is your go-to. Number 2. 2026 Honda CRV Hybrid, the fuel-saving family hero. Let's talk about a true fan favorite, the 2026 Honda CRV Hybrid. This compact SUV blends practicality, comfort, and outstanding fuel economy. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter engine paired with 2 electric motors for a combined 204 horsepower. It's not built to race, but the ride? Smooth and silent. And the fuel savings? Front-wheel drive versions deliver an impressive 43 miles per gallon in the city. Even with all-wheel drive, you're getting a solid 37 miles per gallon combined. That's savings at the pump, every time. Inside, you get a serene cabin with premium materials, generous legroom for both rows, and enough cargo space to fit up to 29 carry-ons when you fold the rear seats. Every model now comes with a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and higher trims offer premium audio and built-in navigation. Want something more rugged? Check out the Trail Sport trim. Prefer luxury? The Sport L trim is your ride. Pricing starts around $37,000, and it's worth every penny if comfort, safety, and efficiency top your list. Number 3. 2025 Honda City, the stylish urban warrior. Need something nimble and city-friendly? Say hello to the 2025 Honda City, a sleek sedan designed for urban driving. On the outside, it's got serious street style, with sharp LED headlights, chrome touches, and a bold front grille that gives it premium vibes without the premium price. Inside, you'll love the ergonomic seating and tech-forward cabin. The infotainment system includes voice command, physical controls for convenience, and full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Plus, a digital instrument cluster gives it that modern edge. Safety? Top priority here. It's loaded with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist blind spot monitoring, and a full set of airbags. You've got 2 engine choices, a standard 1.5-liter for balanced performance and mileage, or a turbocharged version for those who like a little more zip in their drive. Trim options range from a solid base model to premium versions with leather seats, sunroof, and a premium sound system. Pricing hasn't been revealed yet, but Honda promises strong value. If you're living city life, the Honda City might just be your perfect match. Number 4. 2026 Honda Pilot. The family adventure SUV last, but definitely not least, meet the 2026 Honda Pilot. A beast in the 3-row SUV game and a go-to for families. Powering this full-size SUV is a 3.5-liter V6 with 285 horsepower paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. You get both front-wheel and all-wheel drive options depending on your needs. Inside, you'll find room for 7 or 8 passengers, especially spacious in the first 2 rows. The third row? Still usable, though it's tighter for adults. Tech is solid, with a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 7-speaker audio system. But we'll be honest, a bigger screen like the 12.3-inch found in other Honda models would really level it up. Hopefully, that's coming. Outside, it keeps that boxy, rugged look we've come to love, with chunky lines, oval tail lights, and bold styling that screams adventure. Safety features are top tier: automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring. Pricing should start around $41,000 and go up to $55,000+ depending on the trim. Launch is expected in spring 2025, and it's going head-to-head with the Kia Telluride and Toyota Grand Highlander. Honda's 2025 to 2026 lineup is bringing some serious value to the table. Whether you're commuting downtown, hauling the whole crew, or just want to keep your gas bill low, these cars are all about comfort, technology, and reliability, and there's something for everyone. So, which Honda are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let us know. And hey, if this video helped you or gave you a few ideas, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest car reviews, updates, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next drive.